I've heard rumors of a legendary pre-war masterpiece hidden in this exact spot for over 50 years, and today we're finally going to see if the stories are true. Sir, I'm here about the 1925 Hispano-Suiza H6B Cabriolet that hasn't seen the light of day since the late 60s.
Come in, young man. I've been expecting you.
All right, time to break the seal. Wow. Look at that.
Well, that's not going anywhere. These spokes look rough, too. This is going to be a project. All right, here's the 70. All set.
Got it. Thank you, son. All right, hooks in. Let's start the pull. Engaging winch. All right, here it comes. Slow and steady now.
Incredible.
Looks incredible. Ready for the next chapter. Pull it steady. Just a little further. Stop right there. Perfect. Level it up.
All right, old girl, you're home. Let's see what we can do with you.
A true beauty, severely neglected. We'll bring her back to life. She deserves it. Solid. Just need to confirm the gauge. All right, gently now. Got it? Perfect. Take them to the rack. All right, finally, one step closer to bare metal. Time to move on to the next one. All right, just a little more leverage. There we go. Look at that. That's the original color right there. Gently now, don't want to strip that.
Yeah.
Okay, got the first one, looks good. There, the wood is exposed. All right, on three.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, and lift. Got it? All right, time to tackle the clock. Just need to be careful with this original wood. All right, that's the last one. Just need to carefully lift this off. This old girl needs some work.
All right, time to pull this beast out. Just need a bit more leverage. Got it. Slowly now, and out. Finally.
All right, let's get some rust penetrant on this and see if we can break it loose. All right, just a little more leverage. Careful now. There we go. Easy does it. All right, time for this old box to go. Stubborn, but we got it.
All right, these bolts are really stuck. Careful with it. Got it. It's moving now. Just need to break the tension.
All right, now for the moment of truth. Slow and steady. It's heavier than it looks. We need to preserve these fins. There, perfect.
I've got the horn loose now. Just need to pull it out carefully. Okay, take your time.
All right, time to remove the old wiring. Careful, it's brittle.
Yeah.
Look at that, just crumble. Almost out, perfect.
All right, stubborn one. Got it. Now for the rest.
Oh, careful there.
All right, just a little more leverage. Careful now. And out she comes. Perfect. All right, easy does it.
Yeah.
Just a little to the left. Perfect. Locked in.
Time to get this grease off. Just let the snow foam do the work.
Almost there. Just a little more pressure on this edge.
Getting these curves just right, this Hispano-Suiza is starting to shine.
I'm just getting started on the H6B's headlights. They've seen a bit of history, but the original logo is still etched right here.
Getting that perfect mirror finish takes time and patience, but it's worth it.
Almost got it. Just got to finish cleaning this corner. Look at that blue pop.
The paint in the tire well is original, a perfect match for the car.
All right, that's done. Clean as a whistle and ready for primer.
All right, that's got it. Perfect. All right, slowly now, got a good grip on it. Here we go. It's heavier than it looks. Just a little further. Good, looks like it's been a while. All right, time to tackle this section here.
Yeah.
And watch the magic happen.
Yeah.
Just need to spread it evenly. Beautiful, stable black primer.
Time to strip this old girl down. Watch the media do its work.
Here we have the Hispano-Suiza H6B, completely stripped to its raw metal, ready for the next phase of restoration.
You want to make sure the filler goes on in one clean sweep, leveling out that seam perfectly before the paint goes back on. Keep the strokes even, Bill. Got it. This is a lot of surface to cover.
Yep.
Just the way it was in 25. Almost done here. All right, time for the epoxy primer. This will protect it for another 100 years.
All right, time for the final setting. There, tight as a drum. Beautiful. Look at that, pure gold. Just the way she should be.
All right, engaging the press. Keep an eye on the fit. These bushings are tight. Perfect. Just need to check the final tolerance. Almost done now. The light hits that just right. It looks perfect. All right, time to start the masking on this H6B tub. Precision is key here to protect the metal before the paint goes on. The first coat of primer is on. It's looking perfect. The key is getting it perfectly smooth, like glass, before the paint goes on. It takes time. That's the base coat on, looking magnificent, just like it should be. Another restoration complete.
You can see the original ash, and now this is the dark stain bringing out the grain. Incredible detail. You can see the beauty of the original ash coming through with this new stain. It's looking incredible.
Keep it steady, slowly, just a hair more to the right. Perfect. All right, line it up, steady. There, locked in.
All right, easy does it. Just a little more.
Yeah.
Perfect. Take a look at that. All right, that one goes there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Just test that connection.
Okay.
And grab the next.
All right, just a little more torque, and this steering column is installed. It feels perfectly aligned. All right, easy now. Let's get this lined up. Got it, looks good. Perfect. Secure the bolts. All set.
All right, that should do it. Let's test this now. Perfect. Right where we need it. Keep it slow, just a bit more. That's it, perfect. Now, the final adjustments. Good job. All right, perfect. Let's get this tightened down. Looking good, mate. Just one more.
All right, let's get this perfectly aligned. Just a little push. There, locked in tight, looking good. Keep it steady. Looks like it's aligning now. Yep, got it.
All right, let's get this in place. Okay. Easy now. Looks good. You have to be precise with this. Each spoke needs equal tension for the wheel to be perfect.
All right, that's one more down. Looks great on the Hispano-Suiza. All right, front left is good to go. Rear right is done. Let's get the stands out. On it. Careful, slowly.
Almost there. Stretch it tight. Ensure the stitching is perfect. Looking good, Jim. That's true 1925 luxury. All right, this fits like a glove. Just need to secure the trim now.
All right, hold it there. Lowering slowly now. Right.
Perfect, right where it needs to be. Okay, secure it. All right, let's get this 10 canvas top fitted to the Hispano-Suiza. Checking the alignment here.
Yep.
Looking good. All right, perfect fit. Just a couple turns. Looks solid. Perfectly fit. Now for the final strap.
All right, just a little to the right. Perfect. Right. Looks good. Right. Now the mounting bracket. Bringing it over. All right, just finishing up the oil change on this beauty. It's purring like a kitten now.
Time to hide the heart of the beast. Into the wooden case you go.
Yeah.
Doesn't she just fit perfectly?
Yeah.
And now, the finishing touch. Back in the footwell.
All right, here we go. Okay, turn it. It's catching. It's alive.
All right, let's see these lights in action. Perfect. Look at that beam, absolutely stunning. Precision is everything. This final touch must be absolute perfection.
You want to apply it in nice, even
circular motions, making sure you cover every inch. After months of hard work, the 1925 Hispano-Suiza is finally complete. Truly breathtaking. The wood on this Hispano-Suiza, it's really something special. The craftsmanship is just incredible. All right, and we're just tucking this corner in here. Perfection. Now, she's ready for the open road.
The ruby red tail light on the light blue fender, a true exterior detail of the 1925 Hispano-Suiza.
Welcome to SK Restoration. We're standing with a magnificent 1925 Hispano-Suiza H6B.
The engine sounds healthy. A masterpiece restored to perfection.
She runs beautifully. Remarkable. I've never seen one this perfect. Years of work, but worth it. This Hispano-Suiza is a true masterpiece of engineering and art.
All right, perfect. Looks like she fits right in.
The feel of that mechanism is just perfect.
After all this work, here she is. Just how she should be. Perfect. The restoration is complete. It truly glows in this light.
You look at this, and then you look at that.
Yeah.
It's more than just a restoration. It's bringing history back to life.
After years of work, here it sits. The greatest car in the world.
Saving this piece of history for just $70 was the find of a lifetime. And if you want to see more incredible barn find
Every car has a story waiting to be told again, and thanks for being part of this revival, and I'll see you in the next discovery.